And then one more 22nd graduation ceremony no akoso our Fire Academy Training School ye Wall Jamestown Mampani abediache Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene ye teaching wabo maba so pa huye mu nyina no ejato bia wa hokeka no esoni Adom Kasee etwaso.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the demand for safety has become paramount in our daily lives, and that the role of the fire service has become so important in the day-to-day activities of the citizenry. To meet this expectation of the citizenry, the fire service is expected to focus on promoting fire safety, protect the people and property from fires, rescue people from road traffic accidents and entrapment, from heights and deaths, as well as dealing with other emergencies such as floods. The command of the Ghana National Fire Service deserves to be commended for being very innovative in their efforts to ensure that the service offers rescue, evacuation, and fire protection and management services to the people of Ghana. The government is keen in the human resource and developmental leadership of the fire service and would continue to provide personnel, training, necessary equipment and other logistical support to make the service more effective to deliver fire and rescue services to the people. In this direction, government has already given approval for the recruitment of 2,000 personnel into the fire service to augment her manpower strength, and these graduating cadets form part of the approved number. To demonstrate this, government has provided two-story dormitory blocks, one single-story dining hall, and a 1-3-story classroom block, all of which are located here at the Fire Academy and Training School. And by the grace of God, on Thursday next week, I will be here to commission these 3 projects that have been completed.